Hi, I'm Joseph Axiak. I've been working in an internship at Objection Co. in partnership with Northwestern Connecticut Community College. Here's some questions I've gotten so far. What have you learned so far during your internship at Objection Co.? I developed more proficiency in developing a software project which takes an input and manages a large amount of output data, as well as online data scraping. I have learned how to better work with a development team to keep projects running smoothly. How available are the developers and leadership team to you at Objection Co? Once we're introduced, the developers were extremely available and were willing to sit down and help me with any questions I had, although they obviously expect me to do my research and help me go down the right path to learn what I need to know. How challenging is it on a scale from 0 to 10? The work was about a 7 on the difficulty scale, but became much easier when significant headway was made and the project was starting to work smoothly. The initial learning curve was sharp for someone with less experience in developing an entire project or data scraping. A lot of introductory programming courses on online courses are good at teaching the syntax of how to write a single script, but it's important to be able to get an environment working and manage different files across a project and have different scripts work together, which is something I learned a lot about during this internship. What types of companies are you researching for review fraud? I'm paying particular attention to hotels, real estate agents, cosmetic surgeons, and sports medicine. What metrics are you looking at? I'm looking at geographical data, average ticket sale, review date, the rating, and text of the reviews. Using your own words, what does distance matrix analysis mean to you, and how does it relate to review fraud? A distance matrix is a way to organize the data to show the differences between different reviews. Each review has a list of features such as location, number of words, rating, review date, etc. And we can compare different reviews and decide on a way of measuring the difference between different reviews. The difference can be measured as a sort of distance between different reviews and how similar they are. For instance, their geographical location could be part of that distance, or number of words might be you might subtract the number of words to see how different they are. You basically have to decide how you're going to measure that difference. The distance matrix pits all these reviews against each other in a grid and stores their differences. This makes it easier to find groups of reviews with similar properties as well as outliers. Using your own words, what does review pod analysis mean to you, and how does it relate to review fraud? Basically, a review pod is a group of reviews with similar characteristics. For example, several reviews in different cities might originate from the same profile, the same geographical location, or have very similar text, even if the review's businesses are across the continent or different industries. Some groups of reviews can be posted on the same day. This can be an indicator of review fraud, since you would expect reviews to be different, have different origins, and be closer to the business they are reviewing.